Knowledge grows with time. The second grader will grow up to have more knowledge than her teacher. The second grader will grow up to have more knowledge than her teacher. The second grader is the future inventor that will turn our fiction to fact. The second grader will invent the first cyborg. A cyborg is part human, part machine, and part computer. The word computer first appeared in print 2,000 years ago. Each generation redefined the word computer. Our descendants' definition of the computer will change to perhaps become synonymous and correspond to our phrase, planetary-sized superbrain that enshrouds our Earth. In 1,000 years, I foresee second graders as super intelligent cyborgs that are part human, part machine, and part computer with a great sense of humor. I foresee children of the distant future to be half humans and half thinking machines. I believe that the grandchildren of our grandchildren will not use their internet the way we use our internet. Their internet will be within them, while our internet is around us. They will not need supercomputers because there will be the supercomputers.